The Trident range has way more to offer than what you may think. Let's take a look. They look similar, but they are actually pretty different bikes. The Trident 660 has a 660 triple, making about 80 horsepower. It's light, smooth and really easy to ride for every day. Now the Trident 800, that's a different story. You're getting a bigger 798cc engine pushing out around 115 horsepower. So way more power, and you feel it immediately when you open the throttle. The Trident 800 has also got better suspension and stronger brakes, so it's a lot more aggressive overall. So it really comes down to this. Do you want something simple, smooth and easy to live with, or something faster, sharper and a bit more serious? The 660 or 800, which one will it be?